David is your caller, and I'll hand it to you at this time.
All right. So raise your hand if you've ever sung a sea shanty. Sea shanties. All right. So good. So only about 3 people. That's perfect. That's all we need. The rest of you will learn it. So sea shanties, just quick story about sea shanties, and I mean quick. Sea shanties were used on board ships to establish the rhythm. So the men would know when to haul, pull, push, heave, whatever the job was, there was a song for that job. Sailors, not the brightest crayon in the box, so going 1, 2, 3, pull, 1, 2, 3, pull, gets old, gets really boring, and 3 was kind of a high number for some of these sailors. Not for the National Guard. All right? So what they would do is sing these sea shanties that establish the rhythm. So I'm gonna sing 2. I'm gonna teach you 1 just to get you in the mood for singing sea shanties.
Karaoke, yeah!
I need someone in the room whose name is Joe. I need a Joe. I've already picked him. He was coming up no matter what. Some things in life are really obvious, but I need 2 more. I'm going to bring you up. Come on up here. All right. And who's it going to be? Oh, you know what? Wait. Where's the cap? His brother's name is Joe. Did you know that?
True story.
His brother's name is Joe. No lie. All right. So, here we go. You put your beer down. You need both hands. You're all going to need both hands, actually. All right. Yep. Want me to hold that? There you go. All right. You ready? Spread out a little bit. You need a little room. Here we go. Not too close to me. I don't want to get hurt. You ready? Here's what we're going to do. All right. I picked stupid easy. I learned it. If I can learn it, so can you. Here we go. Ready? Way, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe! All right, that's all you got to do. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Way, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe! But I need every hand up. Starboard hand. Come on, you guys know your boats. Starboard hand. Here we go. All right? So that's... All right. So that's your line. That's all you got to do. Every other line, you sing that, all right? Hands down. You ready? I'll sing a line. You sing that line back to me. We'll get the job done, all right? When I was a little boy or so, me mother told me, away, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe! That if he didn't kiss the girls, his lips would grow all moldy. Away, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe! Way, haul away, we'll haul for better weather. Way, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe! Way, haul away, we'll haul away together. Way, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe! St. Patrick came from Ireland and on it built the steeple. Way, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe! And underneath that steeple, he put a lot of people. Way, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe! Way, haul away, we'll haul for better weather. Way, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe! Way, haul away, we'll haul away together. Way, haul away, we'll haul away, Joe! Oh, once I loved a Portsmouth girl, but she was dumb and lazy. Way, haul away, we'll haul away. But then I met a Bangor girl, she really drove me crazy. Way, haul away, we'll haul away. Way, haul away, we'll haul for better weather. Way, haul away, we'll haul away. Way, haul away, we'll haul away together. Way, haul away, we'll haul away. Unbelievable sound! Oh my God! Woo! High five! Up high. Boom. Boom. Unbelievable. Oh my God. I've been singing shanties for too long. Too long. I have never, ever heard a sound like that before. Never. Wow. So, knowing that I would get a sound like this out of this room, I took a sea shanty, because that's what you do. You take sea shanties, you make them your own. You make up verses, because the song's got to last as long as the job. All right? The job's not over just because the guy ran out of words. It doesn't work that way. So you got to be able to make stuff up. So this morning, having spent a couple days on the website reading about the work you guys have been doing, the work that Sam's been doing over the past several years, the history of the Wood Island Life Saving Station, the whole thing just blows my mind. This whole evening has just been really extraordinary. Seeing all you guys, the spirit involved, a lot of you guys coming back. Who's here for the second year? Second? Yeah. Second year. That's extraordinary. It really is amazing. Would that this could happen more often in more places. So I wrote you a toast. But you have to participate. All right? What?
Is it whole wheat?
Is it whole wheat? Oh! Don't be wry with me, buddy. All right. So you got 2 lines to learn now. This is from a very famous sea shanty. It's called "Blow the Man Down." So here's your part. Way, hey, blow the man down. Way, hey, blow the man down. Give me some time to blow the man down. Give me some time to blow the man down. Those are your 2 lines, all right? They don't come right after another, all right? So I sing a line, you sing that first one. I'll sing a line, you sing that second one. Here we go. See if I can do this. Here we go. In Kittery Point on the Piscataqua, to me way, hey, blow the man down. They were the surfmen, full of chutzpah. Give me some time to blow the man down. The Wood Island Life Saving Station to tall. To me way, hey, blow the man down. Brave men in rowboats answered the call. Give me some time to blow the man down. The Navy took over to protect the shipyard. To me way, hey, below the man down. The Wood Island Station, it proudly stood guard. Give me some time to blow the man down. When the town council was faced with a choice, to me way, hey, below the man down. Wilsa was formed and proudly gave voice. Give me some time to blow the man down. And now here you are, you're all working hard. To me way, hey, below the man down. So 3 loud huzzahs for the National Guard. Give me some time to blow the man down. Hip, hip, huzzah, hip, 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 hey! Nicely done. Woo!